Alright guys, welcome back to another video today. You already know what's going on by the title and the thumbnail. I have not experienced a GTR over the, I think over 10 years it's been out now. Today is my first experience with one. Sun's making it a little hard to see, but the reason why I want to do this is because I was obsessed with GTRs when I was younger, like really obsessed, and then I was like, they kind of got a little played out a little bit. Today I'm trying to answer the question for myself, is it still, like, do I still feel that way? Like they played out, or are they still the bargain sports car slash supercar of, well, it was the bargain sports car slash supercar, I don't know if it was sports or super, but of the decade, back when, like even in 2010, after 2010, it was still like really good for what it is, and that's what we're trying to figure out today. But now we're gonna do a few clips for you and just enjoy the video. Yeah, I heard the launch from here was, obviously everybody's heard, it's crazy. Alrighty guys, I'm sat in the GTR. First time riding the GTR. It definitely feels different. It's almost like being in a supercar level, but you're higher up and it's more, it's weird. I like it though. And obviously we're gonna launch it as you do with GTRs from what I've heard. I'm pretty scared. I haven't been in a really fast car in a long time actually, so here we go. All red R's. Holy crap. All right. Okay, so the only car I've been in that launches that hard, that when I was at work, when I drove, is the Taycan. That's the only car I could think. Very little wheel spin at the top, or at the beginning. Cotton. I felt like I was in the Taycan again. That was weird. Like if you haven't seen me drive that one a few times, I'm trying to go back. I'll link the video right here. But golly, dude, holy crap. The interior is really, I'm sure you guys saw. And it sounds so good. The outside you can hear the turbos. I haven't told them this yet, but obviously, you know, the reason I wanted to do the video because I thought GTRs were getting played out, but I always have a soft spot in my heart for GTRs because I've always loved them when I was a little kid. But I think the part that ruined it for me is when all the YouTubers like started buying it and doing stuff to it. But now it's just like I haven't seen them in a while. I haven't ridden one, and now I feel like I might be falling in love again. It smells good in here. Flat in this corner, so flat. Feels amazing. Back seats for insurance purposes, probably. Yep. Carbon fiber right here. I love, if you guys know me, I'm a sucker for interiors. I love tan and red, blue, whatever color interiors. I love it. Because if it was black, it'd be a little more boring. But and he has diamond floor mats in here. Oh man, I might be buying a GTR tomorrow, guys. But the question is, the big question is, in a day of, oh yeah, in today's society of C8s and C8s and freaking 718 Spiders and GT4s. I want to know from you guys, would you still buy a GTR? I think I don't like the C8. I really don't like the C8. You guys know that. I worked at Porsche, obviously, so that's kind of like, I like that. But would you buy it over a GTR or a C8? I think I'd buy the GTR because that is a very unique sound. And you can do a lot, like you can do a lot of tuning. Everybody knows, you know what you can do, tuning, all kinds of stuff, man.
I'm ridiculous when you tune them.
How much horsepower does it have stock?
600.
600. God,
to all four wheels though.
600 horsepower to all freaking four wheels. And the he works at Nissan, so is the reliability pretty?
The class of it being a supercar, I would say so.
Exactly.
You gotta think about it.
If you're like me and you buy a car he probably can't afford to fix it. I think this is a good option because it won't it's not going to be like a old Gallardo, which is probably the same price. I looked online, I seen some of these for it. I know you guys can probably hear that turbo. I looked online, I saw some of these for 110, 100, in the mid 90s and stuff. You could get a Gallardo for less than that, but I think I know I wouldn't buy an older Gallardo because that would, like I just said, you buy a car you can't afford to fix it like me, then you'd be kind of screwed. So I mean, this is still, I think, just kind of saying all that, I think this is still like a good competitor in 2020, even though it came out in 2009 or 8.
2009 was the first year hit.
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, dude. And he's probably gonna see a lot more of this car on the channel because he's not done. Obviously, once you get a GTR, you don't just stop. You get a GTR, you don't leave it stock. Oh yeah, this holds up. This holds the candle, everything still. What year is this? 17 is holding the candle still. Even, I mean, I haven't ridden the C8 or anything, but I still don't like the C8. So we're not even gonna start. We're gonna stop mentioning the C8 on this channel. We're gonna call it that car. I don't really, because it doesn't look. Oh, heck yeah. Oh my gosh. That reminds me of working at Porsche. You can go in a turn, full throttle, no, you don't spin tire spin. I can't even freaking English right now. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video right here. I think I might be falling back in love with the GTR because, I mean, look at it. Like, in black, these things look freaking amazing. They actually look good in, I'm guessing, any color. But this one, I can't wait to see what's going to happen with this one. We were just talking about a 1,500 horsepower GTR. I hope somebody decides they want to do that. But, like, look at the rear end on this thing. Oh, wait, can you see that? You can. Like, I think because I'm liking it more, it's starting to look more, like, even better to me. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, tell me if you this or a C8 or whatever else. I think I'm gonna take this, but I will see you guys when I see you.